Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. Today I am doing the Moon Tealight candle holder that came in July's box from Resin Mold Box. I am making this one for my youngest daughter. She is very much into outer space. Anything outer space she likes. So we are going with kind of a galaxy color. I will be adding some glow-in-the-dark mica powder from Let's Resin in the blue color, because of course it has to glow. I think I'm going to add some silver foil to, I'll add it to the glow-in-the-dark. I don't know if it's gonna get lost in there or not, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway and see what happens. Stir that up really good and break up that foil. Don't want too big of globs in there. It looks pretty good. This is actually a really nice mold. I like the detail in it. It has stars and the moon is sitting on clouds. He has the whole face. I am a little worried about the nose though. I don't want to get any bubbles in the end of that nose. So once I get to the point where the nose has resin in it, I'm going to look for bubbles and squeeze if I have to. Try to make sure that there's none hiding down in there. And I am checking to see if I'm to that point. Needs a little bit more. Gave it a squeeze and nothing happened. Look how pretty that color is. All right, let's check again. I don't see any. I think I'm just going to continue adding some more in here. Try to get it up a little bit higher into that nose area and then recheck it. Just want to spend a little extra time on it just to make sure I get it all in there and don't have issues afterwards. So we'll get that up there a little bit higher. I love the way the colors are coming together. All right, we're going to squeeze again. See if I can get anything to come out of there. And I don't see anything from the side. I don't see an air pocket, so I think we might be good. I'm debating whether I can get a tool down in there or not, but I don't think I can. All right, that should be good. So I'm just going to continue pouring, marbling in my colors. These colors work really well together when doing marbling, especially doing a galaxy pour. I'm hoping that the glow-in-the-dark doesn't get too lost in there. Even if it just glows here and there, I think that'll be fine. The moon doesn't have to glow in every spot. You can have darker craters, so that'll work just fine. Love the color combination, so pretty. This mold says it holds 5.5 ounces. I did up 6 ounces just in case, and it took the 6 ounces. It actually probably could have used a little bit more. It shrank a little, so. Measurements don't always seem to be accurate from the resin mold box. They're close, but always do a little more probably. I do have a link in my description box below. If you want to get a subscription box from Resin Mold Box, you can save 10% off if you use my code. I've been doing this for a year now, I think it is, with Resin Mold Box. I love it. I love the surprise in those boxes. And this was a great mold. I knew instantly that this one would be requested from my daughter. All right, here we go. It is time to demold. The color looks really good. Now let's just hope I did not get any bubbles in that nose. Didn't see any, so hopefully we're good. Let's see how easy we can get this out of here. I'm just trying to determine which way is going to be the easiest way, to roll it down the back or to try to get the face out. But this mold is really soft, so it's going to probably just roll right off of there. Oh, look at that, the sneak peek. The color merged well. I really like that. All right, I gotta get in there and try to get the suction broken where that Tealight sits. Once I get that broken, it should come right out pretty easily. Even though this is a Tealight candle holder, do not put a Tealight candle in there. You can use the battery operated one, but never use real flame candles with resin. I am just going to fast forward this a little bit because it is taking much longer than I thought it would. Getting it off the very end of that was not easy for some reason. But there, we finally got it. Now I have to detangle my mold here, flip it the right way out. I like that mold. I'm going to make this one again. Look at how pretty that is. No bubble at the end of the nose, no bubble at the end of the moon, no bubble at the base. We got it all where it needed to be. I just brought this outside quick so it had better lighting. Get a really good look at the sparkle throughout. So pretty. Alright, well that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Hope to see you back on the next one. Thanks for watching.